According to a report by the Royal United Services Institute, the Ukrainian military is losing around 10,000 drones a month on the battlefield, a figure unprecedented in modern military conflict. Drones have become an essential weapon in the current conflict in Ukraine, with both sides using them extensively for reconnaissance, ground support, and striking enemy devices. The conflict has seen the use of small UAVs of civilian origin, as well as large-scale tactical UAVs. The proliferation of drones in the conflict is setting a new precedent, forcing all armies to adapt.
Ukraine's army of drones is demonstrating how the military is upgrading one of its most effective weapons to counter the much larger Russian Air Force, which outnumbers Ukraine's 10-1. Drones are being used for reconnaissance and attacking Russian troops. The popularity of drones among Ukrainian troops means that drones are saving the lives of soldiers. Although Ukraine has enlisted the help of China and the US for military drones, they rely mostly on popular Chinese models that can be bought online, and they have turned to private groups to train drone pilots. The Ukrainians are working on software to prevent Russian jamming of drones.
Drones have been used in Ukraine in a variety of ways in the ongoing conflict with Russia. They have helped to save the lives of Ukrainian soldiers by warning them of ambushes and identifying approaching enemy forces. The drones have also been used in unconventional ways, such as broadcasting surrender orders to enemy soldiers, leading to some of them being captured. Additionally, drones have been used to spot and destroy enemy units, preventing them from attacking cities. They have also been used to make artillery more accurate and safer. Drones have played a vital role in all of these areas, but supply is limited and they can be easily destroyed or damaged on the battlefield.